a rainbow notebook, a unicorn marker, an eraser with a mane, a chalk holder with a horn, and sparkly glue? Our new video is all about how to make school supplies for good and evil unicorns. Welcome to Unicorn School! Come on, I'll show you around. Let me introduce our new unicorn. This is Sandy. Class is starting. But Sandy doesn't like any of this. Unicorns need to have special school supplies. Look, our unicorn has a cute planner you can use. Color the cover of a spiral notebook with pink acrylic paint. Attach a sheet of light-colored foam paper on top. Make ears and a unicorn horn out of sparkly foam paper and glue them on. Cut out and color a foam paper unicorn mane. Then attach it to the notebook. Decorate the top with sparkly stars. Attach glasses made out of sparkly foam paper. Draw eyes with a black marker. And round cheeks with pink acrylic paint. String plastic star-shaped beads onto thick thread. Tie the thread to the spiral. Make bookmarks. Glue a picture of a unicorn into the notebook and dividers with labels. This notebook is wonderful! So this is how unicorns manage their time. They budget time for daydreaming, magic, and fun. Sandy's notebook is even better. It's from the Dark Unicorn collection. Glue sparkly foam paper to the cover of a torn notebook. Cut out a unicorn head and mane. Attach strips of sparkly tape to the pages. Make bookmark dividers for a planner. Label the dividers with acrylic paint. My dark planner is just as cute as yours. It's a sparkly treasure. Write down today's assignment. My markers were here somewhere. Here's a Happy Unicorns marker set. Cover markers with acrylic primer. Then cover them with acrylic paint. Coat them with glue and sprinkle glitter on top. Draw unicorn eyes on the cap. Make 3 markers of different colors. Draw a picture of a unicorn on white foam paper. Color it in and cut it out. Wrap pink ribbon around the markers and glue on the unicorn. These markers are so cute! Sandy, it's perfect for your look. You can keep it if you want. Ew! That's not my style at all. I need a unicorn anti-marker. Take a marker apart. Remove the ink wadding. Soak it in water. Wash out all the ink. Dip the clean wadding in bleach and soak it. Be sure to wear gloves. Draw a unicorn face on the marker body. Make ears and a horn out of light clay. Gather some tulle and make a mane. Trim it. Put the bleach-soaked core back inside. This bad marker really is perfect for me. It'll erase the rainbow unicorn's markers easily. Wow! School supply magic! Art class! Miss Smith is posing like a real unicorn. But the students' drawings are too abstract. They are just squiggles. The easiest way to draw a unicorn is to draw the outline first. And your portrait is done! Now you'll have to erase your old drawings using magical unicorn erasers. Use acetone nail polish remover to clean the paint off of My Little Pony dolls. Cut off the wings. Cut out openings where the mane and tail are. Make armor out of light clay. Trace the outline and draw details with acrylic paint. Cut off the horn. Cut an eraser to be the shape of the mane and tail, and put them in the openings. Sandy's warrior unicorn has a removable mane and tail that she can use as an eraser. Wow! And the rainbow unicorn has rainbow erasers to match her. Draw a template of a rainbow on paper. Make a rainbow out of colorful polymer clay following the template. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Get some colorful erasers. Cut a strip the size of the eraser out of clear plastic. Make a wrapper for 3 erasers. Hot glue it. Cover the rainbow with acrylic polish and glue it onto the eraser package. Let's start with a clean sheet. Sandy found a model for her drawing. Stay still! I'm drawing! The unicorns want to color their drawings in with chalk, but they don't have to get their hands dirty. Miss Smith has special chalk holders. Cover a wide plastic straw with light clay. Make a horn shape. Use a straw to make imprints so it looks like a unicorn horn. Once the clay dries, cover the horn with pearly nail polish. Decorate it with star-shaped sequins. Insert chalk into the straw. Sandy's chalk holder is made in all her favorite dark colors. And our rainbow unicorn loves her matching holder too. Need some polymer clay. Roll it up and make a horn shape. Insert a straw. Roll out the horn to adjust the shape. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Cover the finished horn with rainbow acrylic paint and secure the colors with acrylic polish. Decorate the horn with stars. Insert a piece of chalk. Now you won't have to get your unicorn paws dirty. We can just draw like professional unicorn artists. Hey, what are you listening to? Music? Oh, I downloaded Audible, a new amazing app, As an Audible member, I choose 3 titles every month, 1 audiobook plus 2 Audible originals that you can't hear anywhere else. Sounds great! What audiobook are you listening to now? The Giver by Lois Lowry. A great book! Just imagine, Audible delivers bestsellers, business, self-improvement, memoirs, and more, all professionally narrated by actors, authors, and motivational superstars. That's incredible! I found a book about unicorns! Cool! I didn't catch the URL, audible.com/TroomTroom, or text TroomTroom to 500-500. Got it! With the convenient app, I can access Audible anytime, whether at home, school, or on the go. Start listening with a 30-day Audible trial, and your first audiobook plus 2 Audible originals are free. Visit audible.com/TroomTroom or text TroomTroom to 500-500. Thank you to Audible for teaming up with us. Unicorn forgot her glue. Miss Smith, can I borrow some glue? Pour light glitter into clear glue. Mix well. Pour the glue into a plastic bottle with a tip. Attach a printed label. Make a few bottles with different colors of sparkly glue. Miss Smith has a selection of sparkly rainbow glue just for you. But Sandy's dark side is taking over. I wonder what secrets Miss Smith and Unicorn are hiding from me. I bet they are making fun of me behind my back. They hate me! Everyone likes good unicorns more than they like me. Poor Sandy! But her dark side has the situation under control. I'll make my regular glue dark and sparkly. Pour clear glue into a few containers. Add different colors of glitter. Mix it in. Fill a syringe with the sparkly glue. And pour it into a bottle. Attach a new printed unicorn label. Now Sandy has her own sparkly glue. It's just as good as the rainbow one. Sandy will take all the glue for herself. And she'll take our unicorn's rainbow powers too. Bye-bye, school! Oh no! Did you like our school supply ideas for good and bad unicorns? Comment below. Whose side are you on? The rainbow unicorn or spooky Sandy? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new unicorn stories from TroomTroom.